All rise. 14A District Court for County of Washington, State of Michigan is now back in session. Now, Day Secretary preside.
You may be seated. Court does call the case People versus Jennifer Burnside.
For the people.
Jason Eggleton on behalf of the defendant Jennifer Burnside, who is present.
Your name?
Jennifer Burnside.
All right. You're seeking an adjournment, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Burnside's been having some problems with testing, of which I noted the court was going to inquire on. Not sure why the dilutes are coming. As previously explained to the court, I had informed Ms. Burnside whenever there is either a dilute or a result that we didn't like, to immediately either report to ER or go to DNA. She's a resident of Pinckney. The 44th Circuit up in Livingston utilizes DNA testing. So on both dates, there was dilute. She did report, as well as the THC positive, which was a negative test of DNA as well that same day. Or actually, that was a 15th out test. But she is dedicated. She's enrolled in an outpatient with key development, which begins on November 5th. She's engaged in that state police angel program. She is continue with Livingston County Advocacy Group. She's got a counselor. She's got a sponsor with 26 years of sobriety. She's attending church to celebrate recovery. And she's also got a sobriety journal that dates from the date of arraignment to present day with daily entries on everything she's doing. So in an effort to, engage in further negotiations with Ms. Feltes, with the court's permission, what we've asked is for the 2-week adjournment to address that, to see if the plea might be a possibility, and at that plea.
That's all correct, Your Honor.
Any objection then to the adjournment?
No, Your Honor.
Will the 20th work for you? Want the 30th?
Your Honor, I'm actually going to be out of town for approximately 30 days. I've got a trip that was 2 years in the planning. I'm going to be up from the 19th to December 18th.
Can we have the 13th, please, Your Honor?
Let's just set it for the 20th. It's just to mess you up. No?
Right? Yeah.
Like,
that would not be nice.
he's like, Judge, please don't play with me like that.
Yeah, you're dealing with my wife shooting me.
Set it for the 20th. No. November 13th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome, Bond.
Have a great day.
You do the same. Court does call the case People versus Brendan. Is it Kiriakosa?
Kiriakosa, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Kiriakosa.
Jim Murray on behalf of Mr. Kiriakosa, who's on Zoom. He is iPhone 2.
Sir, can you state your name?
Yes, Brandon Kiriakosa.
All right. What are we doing on this?
Judge, we're seeking an exam date of November 20th, if you can do that.
No, I don't know why you decide you want to pick your own date. You want an exam?
We do want an exam, but that happens to be a date that I know is open, for me at least.
Down there, that tattoo needle was packing in those 8.
All right, look, here's the way this works. These are the dates I got, Mr. Murray. And I can't say I'm going to give any one of them to you. November 10th, November 13th, November 18th, November 25th. Pick one.
Let's go the 18th, Your Honor.
Works for me, Judge.
Any objection from the people? I assume discovery is complete and the witnesses will be available November 18th.
Yes, sir.
Preliminary examination in this case will be set November 18th, 2025. 9 a.m. before Judge Judge Washington, in person, bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the People versus Timothy Flood.
People?
And Your Honor, Joe Simon on behalf of Mr.
And-
Flood.
This the one,
Yes, Your Honor, he's gonna change the plea to guilty this time. But he needs to state his name for the record.
pardon?
He's gonna state his name for the record. Go ahead. Timothy Flood.
All right. Court's understanding he's going to plead assault and battery, guilty to assault and battery, 93-day offense. Upon that count, hold on. In this form, he's pleading to an added count 2 of assault and battery, correct?
That is true.
And then the child abuse third, which is count 1, is going to be dismissed.
True.
All right, I've made those corrections on the form.
He's pleading under MCL 769.4A.
I see that. There is also defense and prosecutor agree sentence under 7694A, deferral and no upfront jail. There's also been a sentencing judge waiver.
My client understands that the judge will make the full determination, final determination.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay.
I do.
State your name.
Timothy Flood.
Sir, it is this court to understand that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of assault and or assault and battery. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes,
All right.
Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Freshour in the 1483 District Court.
Yes, Your Honor.
So wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
August 14, 2025, at the location of 5510 Jackson Road in Scioto Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do regarding an individual that makes you believe that you're guilty of the offense of assault and battery?
I slapped my son. Do you agree that exceeded reasonable parental discipline? Yes.
All right. And you did it intentionally?
Yes.
All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, you understand that if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules between the time of my acceptance of the plea and the time of your sentencing, the judge would not be bound by any sentence evaluation and or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, you're aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to,
Defense is not.
and have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 1483. Probation sentencing will be
November 24th at 9 a.m.
November 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Amanda Lawrence.
That's called.
Your Honor, Joe Simon on behalf of Ms. Lawrence. State your name, ma'am.
Amanda Lawrence.
You're requesting an adjournment, 13th or 20th.
I asked Ms. Lonnie, I think she prefers the 20th. That will be fine.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Your Honor, can we address one matter on bond?
Certainly.
My client is a permanent resident of the state of Florida. She's been
She
working.
is?
Mhm. She's a,
So why is she here?
that's what I was about to say.
Okay.
She's,
She just get to the punchline.
she was working, she's requesting permission to go back. We will submit
To
a Zoom.
Florida?
Yes.
No.
And we will be submitting a Zoom request. She understands that will have to be approved by the court for her next court appearance.
Mickey, Donald. They'll get on my nerves. Is there a response from the people regarding that?
No, Your Honor, I'm sure that Mr. Simon has explained to her that if we have an in-person hearing, she has to come back for it, and I don't have an issue with her returning to questions.
Okay. You want to go to Florida? Fine. Mr. Simon, you'll prepare the order? I hear the weather's horrible there. It really is. Really bad.
We will.
I've never had a hurricane in Michigan. I'm just saying. Hey, no, we haven't. No, we got tornadoes, but those you can dodge. All right.
We will submit an order, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I have nothing against Florida. Really, kinda. Court calls the case, People versus Tamara Head.
Sorry, Judge, I don't know if the.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Christina Costantino appearing with and on behalf of Tamara Head. Ms. Head, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
My name's Tamara Head.
Thank you.
Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor,
you have two prosecutors against you.
you see how they do that, Judge? They just.
I know, but don't worry about it. It's now even. Go ahead.
Thank you. This is a date and time set for PCC. I have recently been appointed to Ms. Head's case, and I need to ensure that we do have all discovery. So I would be asking for an adjournment of the PCC.
All right. The 20th work for you? Or you want the 13th? Whichever your pleasure.
Yes, the 20th is fine, Judge. Either one's fine.
November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Naya Lee.
Your Honor, John Clemens on behalf of the people.
Christina Costantino appearing on behalf of Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, can you unmute and state your name for the court?
Naya Lee.
All right, what are we doing?
Judge, this date and time set for PCC, we are asking for an adjournment of the PCC. Mr. Emmons and I have had some extensive discussions about the matter, but I do believe we need to have some further discussions as well. There is another case that is also pending that is related to Ms. Lee's case. So we would be asking for an adjournment of the PCC.
Any objection?
I don't have any objection to that, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, if I could ask, if there's no objection from Ms. Constantino, if I could ask for a date after the 20th, I'm scheduled to be in trial that week.
You have any objection to that? I mean, I have the 25th, or my next date goes into December.
I have no objection to a different date. Let me just check.
I have November 25th, and then not another date until December 4th.
Either of those dates work for me. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
Is the 25th date, is that going to be in the morning?
Yes. For PCC, yes, it will be.
Yes, okay. Well, Judge, unfortunately, I can't do the 25th or the 4th.
Okay.
Although
I have the 11th.
The 11th would work for me.
December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. See how nice I'm being?
Thank
I think
you,
Ms.
Judge.
Constantino might.
What's wrong?
I think she might have an issue for bond, to which I'm not going to.
Oh, you do?
I do, Judge. Just a brief one. Your Honor, in the spirit of the holiday season, I am asking if the court would permit.
That's funny. Is it the holidays yet?
Tomorrow, perhaps, Judge.
I hate Halloween. I don't understand it. Everybody dresses up funny.
Yeah, there's usually some treats, candy involved too, but Your Honor,
I like chocolate.
well,
So go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm interrupting your bond argument.
That's all right, Judge. I'm asking on behalf of Miss Lee if she would be permitted to, she's presently under home confinement. We're asking if she would be permitted tomorrow to take her children trick or treating from the hours of 5 to 8 p.m. We did speak with Community Corrections, who indicated this issue needed to be raised with the court. She would be going in the area of Textile and Huron Road. It's my understanding that there aren't any other adults who would be able to take the children trick or treating. So we are asking for permission for her to do that.
In the spirit of the holidays, Your Honor.
I probably shouldn't have said I hated Halloween before this, huh?
Yeah, I don't have any objection to the request being made by
If you prepare an order, I will allow that to happen. Ms. Constantino, send it over to Ms. Weidling
and I'll get ahead of it. Christina, if you want to reach out to me, if there's any travel plans that are going to happen for Thanksgiving, if you want to reach out to me, I'm sure we can work that out by order.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thanks.
A Halloween exception. Wow. Court calls the case, People versus Keith Walker.
Trevor Maybell for the...
And continuing on with the Constantino show. Go ahead.
Christina Constantino appearing on behalf of Keith Walker. Mr. Walker, can you unmute and state your name?
Keith Walker.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment of the PCC for some further negotiations.
Will the 20th work before I write it?
Yes, Judge.
It will. November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Walker.
Thanks.
Court does call the case of the People versus... Is that it for Ms. Constantino? Yeah. Okay. Well, you have a nice evening.
That's it for me, but I might be standing in for David Goldstein, so I'm standing by.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Court does call the case of the People versus Joel Serbinoff.
Water Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Covered on behalf of Mr. Serbinoff, who's joining us from Zoom. Joel, please say your name for the record.
Yep, Joel Serbinoff, Your Honor.
You're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, Judge. We are working on getting him into treatment court, but unfortunately he lives out of the county, and so that's presenting some complications to get it transferred.
You want the 25th?
It's excellent, Judge. Love that date.
I chose. November 25th, 2025.
And a brief issue as to bond. So the court had...
Didn't involve Halloween.
I have no opinion on Halloween, Judge, personally. No, Judge, it does not involve Halloween.
Okay.
No, the court had previously signed an order allowing Mr. Serbinoff to test at a different facility.
Yeah.
That particular facility isn't working out very well for Mr. Serbinoff. He found one that's closer and a little more affordable for him. So we would ask that the court switch it to a different location. I
don't have a problem doing that. It would, if it's a suitable location by community correction standards, then I don't have a problem. Okay. So you can submit an order to that effect. I check with community corrections to make sure it's a suitable facility.
Understood. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. You're welcome, sir.
Be in touch, Joel.
The court does call the case People versus Antoine Thomas.
Howard Burdell on behalf of Mr. Thomas, who is coaching and quoting, will be joining me. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Antoine D'Angelo Thomas.
All right. And Your Honor, again, trying to get Mr. Thomas into recovery court, but he lives out county. So it's presenting a little complications. Your Honor, pardon?
25th.
Yes, please.
November 25th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Is this bond good?
You bond good? We're good.
Yeah. Okay, bond continues.
Right. I'll reach out.
He get interrupted. He tried to change things. Court calls the case People versus Mark Jordan.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Tina Sachs on behalf of Mark Jordan.
Could you state your name?
Mark Jordan.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment to do a little bit more research on this discovery and then to speak with Mr. Overwater about it.
Will the 20th work for you?
Yes.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned without objection November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you. Court calls case of the people versus Michael McLean.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
Tina Saxon on behalf of Mr. McLean.
Hello.
Mr. McLean, please state your name for the court.
Michael McLean.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. Mr. McLean just got into treatment last week. So we just want to, this is a review hearing, and see if we can work out a deal by the time he finishes the program in about 3 weeks.
Well, okay. Well, will he finish by the 20th or no?
He should be.
All right, November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Matthew Morrow.
People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jack Kramer on behalf of Mr. Morrow, who is present here by Zoom.
Mr. Morrow.
Matthew Morrow.
Thank you. He's waiving exam.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Morrow, you're waiving your right to have a preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by the standard of probable cause that the offense was committed and that you committed it?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you'll not have that hearing, you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right.
Yeah.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on a single count. Counsel, you acknowledge receipt of the information, waive its reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
And how does your client plead at this time?
Not guilty, Your Honor. Thank you.
Defendant pleading not guilty. Court will enter that not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
December 23rd at 1:30 with Judge Conkey.
December 23rd, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Conkey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bond continued. Thank you. Yes, you may. I have it. Court does call the case People versus DeAndre Smith. Mr. Johnson. Oh, there he is.
Good afternoon. May it please this honorable court. Kareem Johnson, on behalf of Mr. Smith.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. Long time no see, it seems.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, all right. Your name, sir?
DeAndre Smith.
All right. Okay, what do we want to do on this, sir?
Your Honor, would like to request an examination date.
I know with discovery is complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have sort of this interesting thing coming up. I have the 10th or the 13th available next week, or the 12 days out. So which one would work better for you?
Neither, Your Honor. On the 10th, I have a homicide exam in Wayne County, and on the 13th, I have several matters in the Lansing District Court.
I knew this was going to happen. All right, what about the 18th?
The 18th works for me, Your Honor, in the morning.
Okay, we did it on 2 tries. I'm good. Will that work for the people?
Yes, sir.
All right. Preliminary examination in person, November 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge.
That's here?
Yes, it will be at this location, sir. Okay, in person. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You do the same. Court does call the case People versus Michael Lovas or Michelle Lovas.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. John Shea appearing with and on behalf of Ms. Labaz.
Okay. Your name, ma'am?
Michelle Labaz.
Okay, I mispronounced it.
Your Honor, Mr. Dowd and I are requesting an adjournment. Mr. Dowd is relatively new to the case. He's still reviewing. I have some discussions that are also on my calendar, and we would like to speak with each other prior to the next PCC because of not the Halloween holiday, but the Thanksgiving holiday is going to be on us. And
that's coming up too?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
I may be out of town. Could we have December 4th? Any
objection from the people? Not a problem. December 4th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court does call the case. People versus Tabitha O'Carroll.
Ready, Your Honor. Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jay Grant Miller on behalf of Miss O'Carroll. Please state your name.
Tabitha O'Carroll.
Your Honor, we're requesting an adjournment in this matter to continue some negotiations and hopefully possibly resolve this. I sent some medical records to the people, but Miss O'Carroll can't actually get in to see her specialist until the beginning of December. So I would ask for not necessarily the 4th, but the very next date the court has available, just in case if there's a problem and the people want to see those records as well.
Any objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the people versus Jermaine Williams. Jumani. Is that how I should pronounce it?
Yes, sir. Alexander on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jay Grant Miller on behalf of Mr. Williams. Please state your name.
Jumani Williams.
And there's 2 A's.
Yes.
That's not how I've seen this. I just seen it there.
Like Jumanji, the movie.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Never mind.
No, it didn't go over my head. I'm just like, why? Anyway. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I have received the correct discovery for my client, so we're ready to set it for an exam.
People have their witnesses available the 10th?
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
All right. Preliminary examination in person, November 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Balbo.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Jumani. Court calls the case, people versus Nora Rita.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
And good morning, or good afternoon, Your Honor, to you and your staff. Jessica Holland, P 86695 on behalf of Ms. Rita. Will you please state your name for the judge?
Nora Rita, Your Honor.
I got that name, Nora. It only had 4 letters, so I was. All right. Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a PCC. The people and I are in negotiations. We're hoping to resolve this matter. We're asking for an adjourn to PCC.
All right. Will the 20th work for you guys?
It will, Your Honor.
Adjourn this matter November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the people versus Scotty Chatfield.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
Oh, sorry. Ellis Freeman from Scotty Chatfield. I was warned not to ask for December 2nd for an exam because I can't set my own dates.
That's true.
So
so you see how you just threw that out there and then.
That would be my distinct preference.
I understand. So
Scott
your name?
Chatfield.
All right, thank you. You want an exam on that day?
Yes, I do.
All of your discovery is complete.
I believe it is.
And would people have their witnesses available if I were to pick a date of December 2nd?
We certainly can try, Judge. That gives us plenty of time.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set December 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Perry. Bond in this matter will continue. And Mr. Chatfield, I'm going to say something to you, and I appreciate it. I appreciated you, just in this day and age, maybe you shouldn't say it, but just being a gentleman and holding the gate open while somebody exited. That's no problem. I always have to point out when people do bad things. Sometimes I don't get to point out when people do good things and treat other people with respect, but I wanted to point that out. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, people versus Marcia Shaquan E.
Thank you, Your Honor. Zachary Holloman on behalf of Miss G, P78327. Go ahead and say your name for the record.
Marcia G.
Your Honor, we're just looking for an adjournment.
20th work for you?
13th or 20th, court's prerogative.
13th then. Nobody was picking that date, so you'll be here. November 13th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. G.
It'll be through.
Court calls case People versus Tyler Clincher.
People,
Good afternoon, 5490 on behalf of Mr. Clincher, who is present, consents to holding this matter via Zoom. Please state your name for the record.
Tyler Clincher.
All right. And what are we doing?
I've had a chance to speak with other people in this, but we can set this for an exam.
All discovery is complete?
I believe so. I have a police report. If it's no digital discovery, then we're all set.
there should be digital discovery.
You should have video digital discovery. You don't have everything.
No, if the people can send over the digital or one more time, that would be perfect.
Well, I'm not going to set it for exam until you have everything, being able to have it and then review it with your client. So what I will do is you'll get that over to him.
Yes, Mr. Murray, you could send your appearance to PA discovery.
Oh, it wasn't sent. Okay. So you got to send in your appearance to, what is it, PA Discovery?
At washington.org.
At washington.org.
PA. Okay.
And then all of the discovery will get to you. I will adjourn this out. I can do the 13th or the 20th. Which one would you like, counsel?
13th.
Why I'm asking people. 13th? November 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Gary Coward.
Trevor Maypelt, people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. Gary Coward.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we're asking for a brief adjournment in this matter. Trying to resolve it at the district court.
November 13th.
Could I have the 20th, Your Honor? Sorry, Judge. I'm on trial that week. Sorry.
I'm just going to stop being nice. This is why I'm not nice. November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. No objection from the people.
No, sir. Mr. Burgess, if you want to email me in advance of that date, I can get you what you need.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right, thank you.
Court calls the case. People versus Jermaine Mills.
Christina Costantino, Your Honor, I'm standing in for attorney of record David Goldstein. Mr. Mills, can you please state your name for the record?
Do you have any objection to Ms. Constantino stepping in?
No, sir.
All right, very good. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I've heard from Mr. Goldstein that they have likely came to some sort of resolution that will likely keep this matter at the district court, but they do need a bit of time to facilitate that. I would never ask to pick my date, but Mr. Goldstein has asked me to ask if—
So it's Goldstein picking?
He would ask for a 1 week adjournment, given that
Oh, 1 week?
They've resolved.
I tell him no. I can do the 13th or the 20th.
All right.
Do you think, hold it, have you resolved it and it's just a matter of paperwork, or do we know?
There are some other district court matters that he's trying to work out a global resolution on. So Mr. Goldstein is locked in tense negotiations with Mr. Chavalowski.
Oh boy. I'd like to see that happen. Anyway, here's what I'll do. I'm going to take the 13th if he's trying to resolve everything, and then we'll try to get it there. If he needs another date, he can get in contact with my office and let his client know that he'll need another date. That fair enough, sir? Sir. Set it for November 13th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Have a good rest of your day and a happy Halloween.
Wow. Wow. Oh, to you too, or whatever it is on this day. All right. Take care. All right, that ends that block and I have a 4 o'clock. And so give me a few minutes and then I'll come right back on and we got a motion at that time. Is everybody's here? Okay. Court of Standard Nurses.
All right.